Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Microsoft Edge completely. Before you do anything, make sure you choose another browser as a default browser. For you to do that, just go on your Windows icon, right click, go on settings, under here go under apps, go under where it says default apps. Here you can choose a browser. For an instance, I can say Google Chrome. Then here, make sure you change all this to your preferred browser. For an instance, you can choose Google Chrome and then click set default. And you do this for all the sections over here. Make sure you click on it and choose your preferred browser and set its default. Once you're done selecting your browser as a default, then you have to go to your browser, type in this Wise Uninstaller, then go on this link over here. After you do that, go where it says free download, download and install the program. After you've done that, you will appear with something like this. And when this pops up, then you go under where it says desktop apps and you can look for Microsoft Edge. Once you get it, just click on it and click on uninstall and say yes to everything. You'll get some errors, but it doesn't matter. After you do that, then you can click over here. Then you can select everything. Click on uninstall. Restart your computer and you have completely removed Microsoft Edge from your computer. You're done.